Hey Meg, I just sent you a text message. Can you go sign up for Robinhood real quick and stop watching TikToks? So that is my girlfriend Megan. She is going to be in a couple of the videos coming up. But I want to show you how easy it was to sign up for Robinhood and how you can get someone to sign up in just a few minutes. So this video is going to be really quick. It is how quickly you can have someone sign up for WeBull or Robinhood or M1 Finance and get you free money. So Megan, my girlfriend, is signing up for Robinhood right now. I am timing how long it takes her because it is super quick. You're on the clock.
I'm not the smartest one to be doing this. You should have warned me that I had to download an app so I didn't have to ask questions. I delete the app when you're done.
You're gonna get a free stock from it. You're gonna want it. This is gonna be your first stock.
Do I have to log in?
You're gonna have to probably create a Robinhood account. I just realized this is gonna be my girlfriend's first stock ever. And I think this will be a very quick video, but I wanted to show you how easy it is in case you want to sign up for Robinhood because you like their platform or anything like that, or you want to start investing, or you just want a different platform to use. I use Robinhood and M1. Both links are below. For Robinhood, you get a free stock just for signing up. You don't even have to put any money in the account. And then whoever refers you get a free stock too. I think right now they're doing a promotion where if you sign 3 people up, you get a 4th stock for free. So it's a pretty good promotion right now. The stock's worth between $300 and $500. I have seen some people get like a Facebook stock for $200, but usually it's between $3 and $6, but it takes about 5 minutes to sign up. So there's not too much risk there in wasting your time if you get a bad stock or something like that. WeBull has an even better promotion though, where you get 3 free stocks if you sign someone else up and they need to deposit $100, and then whoever signs up for it gets at least, they get 2 stocks worth at least $14.50, I think. But when I signed up for it, it was worth about $20 or so between the 2 stocks, and it can be worth up to $1,650 if you really get lucky. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video today. And I think this is a good one because right here, it's a rainy day. There's not much to do. So it's hard to feel productive on these days, but if you can make $5 in 5 minutes or something like that, you might as well do it just in the commercial break between your show that you're watching today. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions below, but otherwise I will just tell you how long it takes and what we got if we can get the free stock right now. I think you might have to wait a day or 2. All right, Megan just got done. It took her about 5 minutes, actually right on the dot, and we'll both get free stock, so worth at least $6. For between the 2 of us, but probably closer to 8. Usually they give you something worth between $4 and $8. I think I just got one the other day and it was worth $6. So if we both got $6 stocks and it took her 5 minutes, that means she made us $144 an hour. So not bad on a cloudy, rainy day. And thank you for liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.